Hi, I'm Cash.
And I'm Luke, and this is the Cami unboxing video.
With us today, we have the latest Cami outdoor camera, which we're very excited to show you.
Say hello to the Cami outdoor security camera. In my hands, still in the packaging, I have the Cami outdoor security camera. On the side, you'll find the product information. On the back, the core features. And on the bottom, the technical specifications and relevant country information.
So, let's open up the package together. First, you remove the sleeve to reveal the box, which is actually made out of very sturdy cardboard in order to protect your camera during shipping, because we all know how careful carriers are. And as an added bonus, the box is actually made out of a sturdy recycled cardboard, so it's more environmentally friendly.
Okay, so let's move this aside, and inside the box you will find two compartments, one for your camera and one for the accessories. So this is the accessories compartment, of course, and this is the camera. Okay, so here we have the camera and here we have the accessories. And inside the box we also have the user manual, which is multi-language, and on the back of it you can find our contact number and the website camihome.com.
So let's take a look at what's inside the camera box together. First, let me just move this box out of the way. So first thing you do is you turn the box around and you can remove the different parts of the camera. Before you start using the camera, make sure you actually remove the lens cover, which is protecting the camera lens in a very nice, satisfying fashion. Next, you'll notice that it comes with a 3-meter long cable. So this is long enough to use on your front porch or your backyard and plug right into the AC adapter, which is located right here. Now, if you're in the US or in the EU, you'll get a 2-pronged adapter. If you're in the UK, you will receive the 3-pronged adapter. You'll also have the wall mounting bracket. This is actually much easier if you mount it to the wall first and then attach your camera to the bracket. So make your life easier. 1, 2.
Okay, let me just clear off the table, make some room. Okay. And here is where you can find your micro SD card slot. And if you didn't know, all Cami cameras come with free 7-day cloud services, and new users get 1 month extra. You can also store your footage locally on the micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes or on Cami Cloud.
The Cami outdoor camera is weather resistant and has received an IP65 rating, which means its operating temperature between 14 and 122 degrees Fahrenheit and is resistant to wind, rain, and dust. With the included Starlight Night Vision technology inside every camera, the Cami outdoor camera will be able to record high-quality video even during low-light conditions. If you liked our video today, do remember to give up a thumbs up just below and let us know what other kind of content you'd like to see on the channel. If you did buy the Cami outdoor camera on Amazon, do remember to leave us a review over there as well. Welcome to Cami Home. See you next time.